Natural disasters on Event Channel. You are welcome. Tragedy in Morocco. Catastrophic floods claim 11 lives, 9 still missing. Urgent update. In a heart-wrenching disaster, Morocco is facing the aftermath of a catastrophic flood that has claimed 11 lives, with 9 more still unaccounted for. Torrential downpours and relentless thunderstorms have unleashed devastation across southern regions, leaving a trail of destruction and grief in their wake. Among the hardest hit are the provinces of Tata, Tiznit, and Errachidia, where communities are grappling with the loss and uncertainty as the death toll climbs. Authorities confirmed that one of the deceased is a foreign national, and the search for the missing continues in a race against time. Local officials, such as Rachid Al-Khalfi from the Ministry of Interior, have shared updates on the ongoing rescue efforts. In Tamanart, Tata Governorate, Mayor Omar Bahouch revealed the grim reality that homes have been swept away, leaving many families in despair. At this moment, only 8 bodies have been recovered as rescue teams battle the elements. This devastating event serves as a stark reminder of the increasing threat posed by extreme weather in the region, with warnings of more severe storms ahead. Emergency teams are working tirelessly to restore communication lines, break the isolation of cut-off areas, and deliver life-saving aid to the affected communities. Subscribe and stay updated as we bring you the latest on this unfolding tragedy in Morocco. Don't miss our continuous coverage of the flood's impact and the heroic rescue efforts underway.